YouTube channel, or if you're new, welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So today we're going to be getting into our next set of yoga moves, but first you got to get that good old stretching in. So let's do these stretches. Make sure to hold your stretches for 10 seconds each. Then we'll get into yoga moves. Come on, let's go. What y'all waiting on? Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send I only baby, for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Make sure you stay tuned and tune in next week for the next session, and we're going to keep this workout thing going. Make sure you just turn on my videos at home when you feel like, and you can do this anytime you feel like it. You don't have to do it on Mondays, just like me. You can do it on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. You can make up your own little routine. It's all about staying healthy and staying fit. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back at y'all with more videos soon. Peace.